If your iPhone won't let you turn off stolen device protection, follow these steps. First, make sure you have your Apple ID and device passcode ready. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the top. Select Find My in your Apple ID menu to view tracking settings. Tap Find My iPhone or Stolen Device Protection to see the toggle. If the toggle is active but grayed out, don't panic, there are solutions. First solution, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in to refresh settings. If possible, turn off Find My by entering your Apple ID password when prompted. If the device is managed, contact your organization or MDM administrator to remove management. If you forgot your password, use iforgot.apple.com or start account recovery from Apple ID settings. Restart your iPhone and try the stolen device protection toggle again after signing in. If problems persist, contact Apple support for guided help and consult support articles.